If you're waking up to a dead battery or hearing a strange whining sound from under the hood, you might be looking at code P0414, which indicates a short circuit in your secondary air injection system switching valve labeled I. This system is designed to pump fresh ambient air into your exhaust manifold during a cold start to help burn off extra hydrocarbons and reduce the harmful emissions that come out of your tailpipe. It uses either an electric pump or a belt-driven pump to compress air and inject it through a series of one-way check valves and switching valves that are controlled by the powertrain control module. When a computer detects a voltage signal that indicates a short to either power or ground in the switching valve circuit, it will store this code and light up your dashboard. While this is not a severe code that will leave you stranded on the side of the road, a short to voltage can keep your air pump running constantly, which will eventually drain your battery overnight and leave you with a truck that will not start. The most common causes for this short circuit are melted wiring or corroded connectors, but in colder states like those in the northern United States, it is very common for condensation to freeze inside the pump. This ice can cause an electric pump to bind up and blow a fuse, or cause a belt-driven pump to seize entirely, which can even snap your serpentine belt if you are not careful. To fix this, you should start by doing a visual inspection of the wiring harness and the belt that drives the pump if your vehicle uses one, and make sure the pump turns freely by hand. You should check your fuse box and the secondary air injection relays to see if anything has blown due to a short circuit, and then use a diagnostic scanner to try and manually actuate the pump. If you have no power at the pump, but the fuses are good, you will need to use a digital volt-ohm meter to trace the circuit and find where the wire is broken or shorting out against a frame. You should also check the one-way check valves to make as sure as possible that exhaust moisture is not backing up into the pump and causing it to rust or freeze. If you find that the pump is completely seized or the wiring is severely damaged, you should head to a professional repair shop to have the system properly serviced so your vehicle stays compliant with federal emission standards. Keeping this system in good shape will prevent those annoying cold start noises and keep your battery charged and ready for every morning commute. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.